$1 million at 65. How much can you spend in retirement? Well, let's look at the numbers, shall we? Here we go. So, $1 million, 65, life expectancy 90. Let's calculate this. And we've got a free tool for you to do this. Well, you could safely withdraw 4.66%. However, this is the bit they don't explain to you because the future is uncertain. Your annual withdrawals would be that number. The monthly income would be that, but depending on how things progress and inflation and all of those things, you might end up with more or less money. Okay, so there's some assumptions which are in there. You can have a look at this. It also assumes a degree of continued growth with a part of your portfolio. And of course, you might start decreasing that if you wanted to go to zero growth. And if you wanted, by the way, let's say it's just in a bank account earning next to nothing, you can see how that drops. So you might say, well, wait a minute, that means I should try and have some of the money invested. Yes, indeed, you should. If you want to play around with the tool for your own circumstances and work it out yourself, and we've got a more sophisticated version of that with looking at inflation as well, then it's campaignforamillion.com/tools. Thank you.